What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to change your billing address on Cash App. So first you're going to want to open the Cash App app. And once you open Cash App, you're going to click the top right where it has your profile. And once you click your profile, you're going to want to scroll down into see personal. So once we see personal, we're going to click it. Then we're going to click address. And then for me, I already have my address here. But for you, if it's new, then you don't have it yet. So for me, I'm going to say replace address. And then after I click that, I'll just put the new address where I want to be billed at and click next and just put all your info there. Second option is if you don't already have a cash card, which I already do, you would have, it would tell you that you could get a free card. But for me, I already have a card. But if I did want to change the address of my card, I would get card support, go to support, and I would basically click chat and then put not about a transaction and then talk to them about how I could change my billing address on my Cash App. And that's it.